Very beautiful. Yes, very beautiful. And try to load it here. You can see now after even the bricks is a fresh one. I can load it. I can. Now some guys try to know how to exchange the mode. How to exchange the mode. So now I can record a video and teach you how to exchange the mode. And first of all, you have to put one support tooth, like some piece of the wood between the up mode and the bottom mode, just like this one. Yeah, and okay, drop down the mode. Drop down the mode and carry out the mode. You see there are some support just between the mode. Yeah, and use some support. Maybe you can find out blocks. This one, you can use a block instead of this one, and try to to lift up the mode box. Okay. So yeah, carry it. Okay. 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 Now the mode is removed out. So you can see the blocks is empty without the mode box. Without the mode box. Okay, the new mode. Another style of the mode is brought here. So you have to ask two workers try to carry it and try to fix to fit the mode. This one is the mode box. Yeah. And try to make sure the hose, the hose have to be same with the hose. And this one also, like the hose, the motor hose will be together. And fix this nylon caps. Yeah, and also fix this tension spring. And after tension spring, use the caps, the screw caps. And you can see our mode. This kind of a mode is fabricated by the wine cutting machine. So all the whole mode steel plate is cutting by wine. It's a wine hole. Yeah, you know why we have to put this something onto the mode box, because it tried to support the up mode. Yep. Push back. Yeah. Try to fix the location for the up mode and the mode box together. Yes. And lift up the mode. Lift up. Yeah. After lifting, and this one, and before is like this one, right? So it will change the direction to hold it. Yeah, to hold the temp mode. You see? Now to hold it and tight the screw. And before you try to tighten the screw, So you have to make sure the up mode uh, is at the same location with the mode box. So before you tight the up mode, before you tighten the up mode with this iron, so you have to make sure this up mode has the same location with the mode box. But how to do that? How to make sure? So you just vibration one time, just a vibration just 1 or 2 seconds to give the force and to keep the up mode stuck inside the mode box. That's all. Okay. Yep. Yes. Vibration. Yeah. Yeah. So now you can see now is all of the up mode is following inside. And now use the winch, electrical winch, to tight the screw. Tight the 4 pieces of the screw. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now it's fine. And put the pellet. Put the pellet. Ah. Oh yeah. And put the pellet. Yep. And drop down the mode. And at the same time, as you have to make sure this iron, this shaft, this iron shaft, right? This iron shaft should be the vertical, should be the vertical and same level with this one. With this one, it should be the vertical. Yep. And after you feeding some material, you just keep 2 or 3 seconds of vibration times to make sure the material is dropped down to the mold box. Yeah, and drop down here by this one. Okay. And the vibration at the same time. Yeah. 下去。下。啊？你去什么？速度不够。Look at it, very beautiful. Huh? And look at because our block machine, the vibration force is very strong. It's very strong. So you can see the side surface, the side surface of the pivots is very smooth, very flat, and also the top surface is very beautiful. I try to let guy to stand up. Yep. Yes, yes. Very good. after after pressing on the road on the foot. You see, there's no damage and no change. Very beautiful. OK， 那你给它拍，再拍个行吗？不抬，而且是你拍，你拿了，对，拍一个那个，啊，哼。OK， you see, very nice paving. So after laying of the different pavers, now it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes, very beautiful. And try to load it here. You can see now after even the bricks is a fresh one, I can load it. I can move it. Wow, its vibration force is very strong. OK, and it's very beautiful. And you know why so many kinds of try to buy this kind of bricks, the mold. You see, it's very beautiful, right? Very so beautiful. So I try to stand up on the bricks. Huh? After drop down on the bricks, you see, very nice. OK。